What a beauty, direct in from some friends. Very, very, very fastidious couple who really have cherished this car. This car is absolutely incredible all the way around. This is almost how the car came in, so you can tell how well the car's been looked after from new. They really do know how to look after the cars and find the best examples. This is the stunning Audi S3 Black Edition. Of course, 2 litre turbocharged, 300 brake horsepower pocket rocket. Beautiful Daytona grey metallic with just over £3,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is stunning. It's got the factory red calipers, the technology pack, folding mirrors, just to name a few. The car is absolutely incredible all the way around. You've probably heard me say that a few times, which it really genuinely is. Let's take you all the way around it, show you how nice this car is. Great size boot on these S3s. Split folding rear seats, nice and clean in there. No spare wheel. Bang & Olufsen sound system, which sounds absolutely terrific, it really does. All the loading area nice and clean, no damage, no scrapes, no scratches. Rear parking sensors, and of course the 2 twin exhausts, just give it away what the car is. This is the S-Tronic 6-speed automatic gearbox, and of course quattro 4-wheel drive. Matching Michelin Pilot sport tyres all the way around, plenty of tread on all those, and all the wheels, as you see, they are just beautiful. None of the wheels have been refurbished. This is how the car came in. As I mentioned, the red brake calipers, which are factory red. Rear privacy glass, and of course no dents, no scratches, no scrapes, no dings. Probably one of the best examples on the market that you will see for sale. Again, close up of the near side front wheel, just to show you what it's like. Beautifully nice red calipers again. Again, a real close up of the front end to show you there is nothing to hide from us. Full transparency, almost like you walking around the car with me. Bit of dust about, the odd tiny stone chip, but nothing at all on the vehicle. Sometimes the reflections may show scratches, but I can assure you there is no scratches on this vehicle whatsoever. And again, the offside front wheel in outstanding condition, no marks on that. And a close up of the tyre. These really are great fun to drive, awesome performance, sure-footed handling with the quattro drive. Just because you've got a family doesn't mean you've got to compromise on performance and space. You've got it all with this one. And again, just a final wheel. It's got the full black Nappa leather. All the dual trims, totally impeccable. And of course, just a reminder, Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Plenty of legroom in there. The upholstery is totally unmarked. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Again, the driver's door trims. Front sport seats. These are heated seats as well, which was an option. Again, just look at that beautiful Nappa leather, embossed S, with a mileage of only 33953. That's what it's done, 33953. Full Audi service history. Just gorgeous inside. Of course, just remind you it's quattro. As I mentioned, you've got a technology pack advanced, which is the satellite navigation. Of course, you've got the virtual cockpit as well. Dual zone climate control, so you can have it individually. Heated front seats. The navigation on the front screen, and also in front of you on the virtual cockpit. Just a great feature. Of course, the other functions in front of you on the dashboard, the onboard computer. You can select how you want to see the dashboard, with the rev counter and the map on there, or the computer. Just get the screen how you'd like to see it. Of course, you've got Bluetooth connection as well. All nice clear layout. Working out under the screen there. Navigation, I can assure the screen's fine, actually just how the camera's picking up the data. Again, the phone connection, media input, AUX input, DAB radio, and a fabulous Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Probably doesn't tell you how good it is on this video probably. Of course, get the suspension just right, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic or individual, to get that ride exactly how you want it. SD input, CD player, nicely tucked away in the glove box. Of course, the S-Tronic gearbox. Slide it across if you're on the manual option. It shows you on the dashboard if you want the manual mode. So drive or the manual. Of course, you've also got the paddle shift gear change if you so wish. Cruise control, speed limiter, all very close on your fingertips. Stereo functions, and that's the view for the dashboard. Scroll through. Volume control.
Route guidance is not active.
Voice activation as well. Electric folding mirrors. So there we have it, our absolutely stunning S3 Black Edition. Everything's all controlled from the menu there. For the dashboard, all the full menu on there. Full menu, all nice, easy to scroll through. Absolutely gorgeous car. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Check out our great finance offers, PCP or HP. Use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposits, your low monthly payments. Apply direct off our website, quick and easy. We welcome part exchange. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. If you want any further information, simply call us on 01782 822 700. You You can click and reserve this car 24/7 down to our website, click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. If you fancy this car, give us a call. 01782 822 700. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. Established 25 years. So there it is, S3 full Audi service history, including the Heldex oil change as well. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.